iyo ruuxeeda leedahay aadan si adag ogeyn iyaduse had iyo jeer habeenkii dharaan hurdiyo soo jeed kugu hamiyeysa oo jacaylkaaga iyo kalgacabkaaga oo jiilka iyo lafaha kale aawadood oon iyo anfaco diiday sheekadani waa mid run ah oo dhacday. Kids, do you understand that? It's a true story. magaalada ay ka dhacday waxaa la yidhahdaa xiis waxay ku taalaa badyarada caafimeed gobolka sanaag bay ka tirsan tahay taariikh markay ahayd 1913. This is a true story. This lady was born in late 1893 and this story is happening early 19th century, 1913 up to 1922, and it's a story about unrequited love. So it's a one-way. It then is requited when it's too late. It's between a woman who is educated, and educated in that she went to school, and a guy who is not. Doesn't mean he's stupid, no. He's a soldier, he's the Darawish, you know? You know the Sid Hamad al-Hassan, he's one of those guys. He's a seafarer, very brave man, very eloquent, a poet, but he could not read or write. The story is called Aqondaro wa Unna'ab Chai. Ignorance is the enemy of love. It was written in 1974 and it was the first full-scale Somali novel. And waa sheekadii ugu horeysay novelka la yidhaahdo tii ugu horeysay Somali novel. And as in many of the Somali stuff that happened in that era, it was a first. It won many accolades, to the point that UNESCO shortlisted it and then published it as part of its African series. Awrada yaraanteedii waxay ku barbaartay dhul aad u qurux badan, dhul buuro iyo dhir badan oo kala jaadjaad ah leh, shimbiro noocyo badan, biyo iyo moxor iyo maydiga taariikhda sacdi weyn ee faraacintii hore ku xusan inay kasoo doonan jireen dhulka udugga Puntland. She lived in Aden for about 5 years where she was learning the Arabic language and the Quran. She reached a high level in her studies. She met Ali Mah en route back to Greece on a boat. I'm going to stop there. The book is available both in English.